Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate restaurant table reservations via WhatsApp. Having a restaurant, you got many table reservations from your users at once. Responding them manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this problem, we are going to automate this entire process by creating a WhatsApp chatbot, and that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account regarding the reservation of table, then automatically your bot will reply to them. So now, to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let's go to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So this is right over here is the automated WhatsApp chatbot that we are going to create in this video. This will turn the table reservation into your restaurants without you doing any manual efforts. But before moving forward, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your users instantly. By sending a message to my WhatsApp business account of restaurant, here I am sending my first message as book table. As soon as I send the message, immediately you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that welcome to Flavors and Feast restaurant, while providing me two quick buttons, that is reserve a table and view menu. Here I want to reserve a table, so I am clicking on it. Then you can see it will ask me for the date, that when I would like to do the reservation. So I am sharing one date. Then it will ask me to share the timing, that I am going to share as 8 p.m. After that, it will ask me for my full name, so I am sharing my full name as a test user. Then you can see it will ask me for my email address. So I am giving one test email address as pat@pabblytudes.com. Then you can see it will ask me to select the sitting type while providing me one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of sittings. So here I am selecting this. Then you can see it will respond to me like this, that reservation confirmed, and providing me all the details that I have shared, that is the name as test user, date, time, and the sitting type that I have selected from the list. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot that will reply to your users within a seconds without you doing any manual efforts, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners, and marketers connect. When you are stuck while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you, or even the Pabbly team members, will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, and that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking access now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. You can check out. And in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to write the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. If you want to learn more about about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. It creates and manages static chatbot seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this right over here is the starting point of your flow, but before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided, that is automate restaurant table reservations via WhatsApp. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button. With the help of this button your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will be deactivate and it will not reply to your user. And another one is the save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events, that is keyword/regex, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, contact's birthday, it is coming soon, and tag assigned. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so I am selecting it. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And another one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. As we are creating this bot with the help of keywords, so I am entering the first keyword in this enter keyword box as book table. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding one more keyword, that is reservation. Here I added only two, you can add multiple. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them by sending them one welcome message. For that I am taking one text button, drag this box here where I am going to write my welcome message in this enter message box. Here I write, that is welcome to Flavors and Feast restaurant. Would you like to make a reservation? After that, for answering this, I am providing two quick buttons for my user. For that I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I am going to write my first button as reserve a table. After that I am adding one more button, that is view menu. After that I am connecting the starting point of my flow, that is trigger, to this message by clicking on this circle, dragging a line and connecting this line to this circle. Here it is connected. Now let's assume my users wants to reserve a table into my restaurant. Then they will click on this reserve a table button. Then my bot will ask them to share the date for booking the reservation. For that I am clicking on this actions option and take button as ask question. Drag this box here where I am going to write my question as let's book your table. To begin, please share your reservation date. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as booking date. After that the format I select as date. Then the next one is the number of attempt. Number of attempt is defined as how many times your user will answer your question that you have written here. When your user will not reply in the correct format, then you have to increase the number of attempt, but make sure that whenever you increase the number of attempt, you have to write the validation message in this enter validation message box. Here I am giving the number of attempt as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that I am connecting this circle which I present in front of reserve a table to this message where it is connected. Now whenever my user will provide me the reservation date, then my bot will ask them to share the timing. For that I am again taking one ask question button, drag this box here and writing a question as great. Now please share your preferred time. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as booking time. After that the format I select as any. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will provide me the time, then my bot will ask them to share their full name. For that I am again taking one ask question button, drag this box here. The process of adding questions into your flow would be the same. So here I am entering the question as perfect. May I have your full name please? After that I am selecting the contact custom field as full name. After that the format I select as text. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will provide me their full name, then my bot will ask them to share their email address. For that I am again taking one ask question button, drag this box here and adding a question. Here I added. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as email. After that, the format I select as email. After that, I'm connecting this circle to this circle. Here it is connected. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now, whenever my user will provide me all their data, then my bot will ask them to share the sitting type. For that, I'm clicking on this messages option and take button as list button because I want to share the list of sitting types. I'll drag this box here. Here you can see this list box is divided in 3 parts, that is header, body and footer. Where at first you have to write the header in this enter header box. Here I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank and directly entering the body as. Lastly, please choose your sitting preference. After that, if you want to write the footer, then you can write in this enter footer box. Here I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. Now I am adding the types of settings. For that, I am clicking on this add section button. It will provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the section title as sitting preference. After that, I want to add the types of settings, so I am clicking on this plus add items buttons 3 times where I am going to enter the first sitting type in this enter title box as 2 people indoor. After that, I am adding 2 more. Here I added. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message where it is connected. Now whenever my user will select the sitting preference, then my bot will respond to them. But before that, here I am setting one custom field tag. For that, I am clicking on this actions option and take button as set custom field. I drag this box here where I am going to select the contact custom field as sitting type. After that, in this enter value box, I'm going to write this, that is 2 people's indoor, because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this. Now I'm going to explain you from where you can create this contact custom field and why we use this contact custom field in the creation of our flow. But before moving anywhere, at first you have to save your flow. If you won't save your flow, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. So make sure that whenever moving anywhere, save your flow at first. Now for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Here I am opening it a new tab. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing details like name, tags, countries, etc. When you scroll down here, you can see one option is there, that is plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the field name in this field and also write the description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of sitting type, so I am not creating more. Now we will get back to our flow. Here I set it this. Now I am setting up 2 more contact custom field node here for both of these sitting types. Here I added. After that, I am connecting all these 3 to this circles. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will select the sitting type, then at last my bot will give them one customized message. For that, I am clicking on this messages option and take button as text button. Drag this box here where I am going to write my respond message. Here I write that is reservation confirmed with dollar symbol, full name, booking date, booking time. You can see I have used the dollar symbol here because with the help of this symbol, my bot will reply to my users dynamically. As whenever they share their full name here, then automatically with the help of this contact custom field, my bot will capture their response and reply to them by mentioning their name in this place. Also same for the sitting types and booking date and time also. After that, I am connecting all these 3 circles to this message. In simple words, contact custom fields make data dynamic. Now the next one is the view menu. If my user will click on this view menu button, then my bot will share them the image of menu of my restaurant. For that, I am taking one media button, drag this box here where I am going to select the media type as image and uploading the image of menu of my restaurant by clicking on it and uploading from my gallery. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. Now I am writing one caption in this enter caption field as our menu. After that, I am adding one button also, that is reserve a table. Here I added. Now I am connecting this circle which are present in front of view menu to this message. Here it is connected. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate restaurant table reservations via WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. If you face any difficulties on the creation of this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. You can also share this flow with your friends. For sharing this flow, you have to click on this flows option and click on this 3 dots and click on this share flow option. Here you can see it will provide you one share link that you have to copy from here and share this link with anyone. But make sure that when sharing the flow layout will be shared, but the contact custom fields, tags, catalogs and templates will not be shared. You need to create these elements separately and templates must be created and approved by Meta. I also provide the link of this flow in the description box. You can check out. This automated chatbot will reply to your users in real time like this. Book the table reservation into your restaurants without you doing any manual efforts. And the best part is this automated WhatsApp chatbot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.